Welcome again, patrons. Thank you very, very much for your support. And I hope you guys are enjoying the little perks that you get too from being a supporter of my group or my channel. Today we have another challenge for you. It goes along with the trifold card. And what I'm going to have you do is to make this little part that goes the inside part of this scalloped circle in this card right here. Okay, so I've given you your handout already, and what I want you to do is just look up here. Okay, this is what you're going to be making. You're going to make this little bunny with two little carrots and make it say any word you want to. I just put thankful in this time because I am really thankful for you guys. But anyway, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to images, and then you're going to come over here and type in bunny. It says Easter with it. So you're going to click on that to select it, and then come down here and insert images. And notice it's taking a while to come in. They're all cut files, and it looks like this. And this is super duper cute. But I'm just showing you a way that you can take apart some of these things and use them in a different way. So the first thing that you need to do to go from this to this and to this is come up here to ungroup, and you're going to take away everything that is not part of the bunny or one of the carrots and the green top. And I'm just deleting things as I take them off. I can kind of put a box around all that and delete it at one time. Okay, the carrot, I want that orange part. I don't need a second orange part. And the green, I want this part, but I don't need the second leaf. So I'm going to end up with these things right here. Now I will tell you that this shape right here you can get in, if you go to cartridges, in Cricut Craft Room Basics. But what I'd like you to do now is just pause and see if you can make yours be like mine. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to images, and this time you're going to go to cartridges and Cricut Craft Room Basics. And if we scroll down, we'll come to that. Here it is right here, Cricut Craft Room Basics. And these are free to everybody, whether you have access or not. So you're going to go to View All Images. And you're going to get the scallop circle. Click on it to highlight it. And then click Insert Images. All right. So the directions say to change the color of the scallop circle to white. So we're going to come up here and we're going to change it to white. And it also says to change its size to 2.5. So 2.5, enter. Now I notice this doesn't change to 2.5 over here. So I'm just going to unlock the lock and change it myself. 2.5, enter. Okay, now what I need to do is I'm going to right click on this because I know it's going to go on top of the bunny. So I'm going to right click on it to say send to back. And now when I bring it up here, it goes under the bunny. Okay, so I'm going to bring the bunny over first. Whoops. I'm going to grab this bunny. And I'm going to bring her over here And she actually looks like a pretty good size. I'm going to leave her right like that, I think. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I need to rotate this carrot back around where it was. Put that on there. And I'm going to go to Group. And notice over here I have 2 carrots. So I'm going to come up here to Duplicate. Now I have both that I need, and I'm going to bring one over here and one here. I'm going to resize them. Maybe twirl them around a little bit. You know, play with them however you like. And then the next thing I think I'll do, well, the next thing I'm supposed to do is to bring in the text. So I'm going to come over to the text tool and I'm going to type in something. Let's see. Some bunny. Hopefully this will all fit on there. Some bunny. And then inside I could put loves you or something. You've seen that, I'm sure. So some bunny. Put this up here. Then I'm going to come up to the curve tool. And I'm going to start curving this till I think I like how it fits. Right now I don't think I like that. No, it's not curved enough, you see, or something's wrong. Maybe if I make it smaller. And I think I'd like to curve it just a tiny bit more, so I have to make sure it is selected. And I'm going to curve it just a little hair bit more. That might be too much. No, I think that's okay. But what I am going to do now is I'm going to re-stretch her. Uh-oh, look what happened. I didn't have her all selected. I'm going to undo that. Now the easiest way for me to do this, to make her larger, to just select her, is going to be to move this out of the way and move one of the carrots and maybe both carrots out of the way. Then I'm going to select her. Then I can make her bigger. Kind of center her there. And then I'll move the scallop circle back. She might be a little too big, or I can move the Some Bunny down. Oops, down. Some Bunny. And then I can just bring my carrots over. So again, this one's a little different than the other one. This one says Some Bunny, and maybe on the inside I could say likes you or loves you. And now, right now, if you look over here, all of this is a cut, or these are all cut files. I don't want them to all be cut files. I want to do a print then cut. How do I change all the cut files into a print then cut? If I select all of these, what do I do now? That's right, I flatten them. And that changes them all into the print then cut file, and I'm ready to roll. So that's it. It's as easy as this. I can't wait to see what you guys put on your cards. Again, thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you again soon.